In the solid state chapter, in the last session we studied the electrical properties of solids. In today's session, we are going to discuss about packing efficiency. When the constituent particles, what is constituent particles? That is atoms, molecules or ions are packed. There is always some free space in the form of voids. Voids means vacancy. So packing efficiency. What is this packing efficiency? Packing efficiency is the percentage of total space filled by the particles. So let us calculate the packing efficiency of simple cubic unit cells, body-centered cubic unit cells and face-centered cubic unit cell. See, packing efficiency of simple cubic unit cell. In simple cubic unit cell, the atoms are located only at the corners of the cube. We already studied this. The particles touch each other along the edge. Thus, the edge length or side of the cube is A and the radius of each particle is R. Side is A, that is edge length A, it's the radius R. Here one side is shared between two, so 2R, A equal to 2R. From this we calculate radius R equal to A by 2. The volume of a unit cell, that is A cube, is A equal to 2R. So A cube equal to 2R the whole cube, that is 8R cube. Then how many number of atoms present in SCC? That is 1. Volume of occupied space equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. It is the formula of volume of sphere, 4 by 3 pi r cube. From this we calculate packing efficiency of SCC. Packing efficiency of SCC equal to volume of atoms in unit cell dividing by volume of unit cell into 100. That is packing efficiency equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube dividing by 8 r cube into 100. So what? From this we get packing efficiency of S is equal to pi by 6 into 100, that is equal to 52.36%. Now we calculate how much amount of space is empty, that is unoccupied space. The volume of unoccupied space equal to 100 minus 52.4, that is equal to 47.6%. This 47.6% is empty space and 52.36% is occupied space of SCC. See packing efficiency of BCC. BCC means body-centered cubic unit cell. In body-centered cubic lattice have 8 atoms at the corners and 1 atom at the center of the body. That is, the atom at the center will be in touch with the other 2 atoms diagonally arranged. Take a body-centered cubic lattice. The number of particles, it is arranged on the 8 corners as well as 1 atom is present in the center of the unit cell. Now we take 3 spheres, that is first one, second one and third one. Now we are applying the Pythagoras theorem. Here 2 triangles are there. One is ACD, another one is ABC. Now we see ACD. We are taking ACD triangle. AD square equal to AC square plus DC square. What is AD square? Radius of sphere is R. So R. So it is 4 r's are there. So AD square equal to 4r the whole square. AD equal to 4r. AD square equal to 4r the whole square. Next AC square. What is AC square? Now we are taking the second triangle, ABC triangle. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So what is the edge length of a cube? That is A. So AC square equal to A square plus A square. AB is A and BC is also A. So AB square. So that is A square plus A square, that is equal to 2A square. Now what is DC square? DC square is A square. Then AD square. What is AD square? AD square equal to AC square plus DC square. Now we are applying the values. AD square value is 4R square equal to 2A square. AC square is 2A square plus DC square is A square. So 16R square equal to 3A square. We calculate R square. R square equal to 3 by 16 A square. That is R equal to root of 3 by 16 A square. We are taking the square root, R equal to root 3 by 4 into A. How many number of atoms in BCC? That is 2. And volume of cube is A cube and volume of sphere is equal to 4 pi R cube dividing by 3. What is the formula of packing efficiency? Packing efficiency equal to number of atoms in a cubic unit cell into volume of atoms in unit cell dividing by volume of unit cell into 100. Here we substitute all the values. We will get 68%. So the volume occupied by the sphere of BCC is 68%. From this we calculate how much amount of unoccupied space, that is empty space, will be present in that crystal. That is the unoccupied space in BCC is 100 minus 68, that is equal to 32%. We see packing efficiency of face-centered cubic lattice, that is FCC. In a FCC has 8 atoms at the corners and 6 atoms at each face. In this figure we see left, right and back side, front side, top, bottom. There are 6 atoms at each face. According to Pythagoras theorem, this figure ABC triangle. So AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. What is AC square? AC square is radius of 4. That is 4R. So AC square equal to 4R the whole square equal to BC square is one edge. It is the edge of a cube A. Here AB square. So A square plus A square. We calculate 16R square equal to 2A square. From this we calculate R, radius. Radius R equal to A by 2 into root 2. See how many number of atoms are present? 4. Volume of a unit cell, that is cube, is A cube and volume occupied space equal to 4 pi R cube dividing by 3. Here the atoms are considered as a sphere. So we are taking the volume of sphere equal to 4 pi R cube dividing by 3. The formula of pack efficiency. Pack efficiency equal to number of atoms in the unit cell into volume occupied by 4 spheres in the unit cell dividing by total volume into 100. That is, here we have substitute the values. Pack efficiency equal to, here number of electrons in FCC is 4 into 4 by 3 R cube. Substitute the value of radius A by 2 into root 2 in the whole cube into 100 dividing by volume of unit cell, that is A cube. So we solve all these terms, we will get the packing efficiency of FCC, that is 74%. This is the volume occupied space of a FCC crystal, that is equal to 74%. From this we calculate how much empty space is present in the crystal. Volume of unoccupied space, that is equal to 100 minus 74, that is equal to 26%. load. FCC has more packing efficiency, and then BCC, then SCC. Friends, in this session we studied the packing efficiency of FCC, BCC and SCC. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.